everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner Crafting.
Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So today I am fixing up my Libby glasses so I can finish out the Juneteenth gifts, and then I will go back to making some more men's gifts. So if you haven't watched the videos, please go back and watch my videos. So if you're new here, thank you for popping in. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, all you folks that are just peeping in. We would love to have you here in the Crafty Corner. So I'm finishing up my Libby glasses. And if you remember the Libby glasses, they're glass and they come with glass straws. And this is what a Libby glass looks like. So when you hear me talk about Libby glasses, these are what I'm talking about. Very nice glasses for gifts, and people are very popular. People do like them. Alright, so these Libby glasses come with a colored top. And this one is black. And I am applying the Juneteenth decals to some of my Libby glasses. This is not all of them. I just did one of each color. So it was 9 colors. Alright, and I got 3 of each glass in this set that I bought. So I'm going to show you how I am dressing up these Libby glasses so that I can make nice, beautiful gifts out of them, because these are very, very pretty transfers. Alright, so this is the glass, and I'm just simply opening my drawer here to let the Libby glass rest there. Alright, and I've decided to use this transfer for this glass because this glass has a light blue lid, and there's some of that blue is in this picture. So I thought that would be a nice contrast to put there. So you simply just peel your transfer off the paper, just like that, and you want to be looking at your white sheet to make sure all of it is coming up. If it is not all coming up, you simply put it back down, give it a little rub, and then start pulling it again. Alright, don't pull it all the way off and then try to put it back on to get any pieces left behind, because then it won't be in its original state or its original place. Alright, so these glasses are clean. They come in these little bags. Alright, but I still wipe them all down with alcohol before I'm applying the sticker. So to apply your sticker, you want to roll it up. Okay, that's the sticker like so. Roll it up. Alright, and you want to make sure it's straight. And go with your center down first. And then to the side. Same thing here. Center down first, then to the side. Alright, so our sticker is on there. Alright, and then I like to take my little brayer and just scrape it down on there to make sure, and don't scrape it hard. Use the flat back side of your scraper to smooth it out, or to just make sure it adheres good. Alright, and then we got little stars on here. We want to make sure those are down too. Alright, and then you're just going to peel up the plastic or your transfer sheet, which comes right off. Alright, so as you can see in the plastic here, where my fingernail is, there are no pieces there. That tells me that all the little stars came up. Alright, and I'm looking on this plastic to make sure everything stays down. I'm also looking at the design to make sure everything stays down. Alright, and then you just peel them off slowly, and make sure you peel it slowly all the way down to the end. Alright, now. Alright, and that is what our cup looks like once we've got it down. Alright, so your picture should be nice and smooth. Alright, you can rub it down with your finger if you need to. But at this point, do not use your scraper. Alright, and don't rub too much with your fingers or you will tear up your decal. Alright. So this decals will take a little bit of time to ferment, but that is what this Libby Glass looks like. Very pretty. Alright, so what I do is I'm going to put this back in its bag. Put the plastic paper back down in there and then attach the lid back to it. Alright, so this is the light blue one that I've done. I've done a black one. Done a pink one that says Dope Black Mom 1865. Did a red one that says Do It for the Culture. I have a light pink one that says Black Girl, and it says Fierce, Beautiful, Strong, Classy, Queen, Blessed, Magic, Talented, Unique, and Proud. Alright, with the diamonds on it. This is the green one. And it says Proud of my Roots. This is a clear one. And it says Juneteenth Vibes Only. Alright, and then I have the tan one. And I use this decal because it has the leopard print there to match the tan top. And it says Love. And then the last one I'm going to do is our purple one. Alright, so I've already cleaned these. I put them back in the bags after they dried just to keep them clean. Alright, and I'm going to set it here so that it doesn't move. And then we're going to pick the decal for it. Now, I want to use a decal that I haven't used. I haven't used this one that says Juneteenth 1865, Pride, Freedom, History, and Queen. Juneteenth Freedom Day. Haven't used that. As you can see, I still have both of those. I've used both of these already. I've used both of these already. So all of these here I have used, and I'm not above using a same one again, but we're going to use one that we haven't used. So it's going to be one of these two. And I think we're going to do the Juneteenth Freedom Day. Alright, so I just simply cut it off. Now with these DTF transfers, I'm going to show you something real quick. Alright, this is the side that I didn't cut. And you should be able to just do them this way to get it to peel off. Alright, so if you find that you're having difficulty doing it from an uncut side, just trim it a little bit. Alright, this is the side that I did cut. See how easily that rolls up? Alright, that rolled right up after I trimmed it a little bit on that side. Alright, and we're just going to remove our transfer. And as I'm removing it, I'm spreading my hand out so it doesn't roll back on itself. Alright, because then that's going to mess up your transfer. Alright, so there's our transfer. Same thing, we're going to center it, make sure it's straight as possible. Now remember, once it's down there, it ain't coming back up. And I don't care about the wrinkles here or the wrinkles up here. Just want to make sure my wording and my pictures have no wrinkles in it. Alright. So there are a few wrinkles, but they are out here to the side, which we don't care about that. Because as long as our day is on there, the word day is on there smoothly, and it is. Alright, some wrinkles down here, and that's okay, because freedom is on there smoothly. Alright, so we're just gonna scrape her down gently. Make sure your heads are on there, because if you rip a head off on one of these, you're gonna have to start all over. Alright, and I'm just peeling the end here to start that process. Alright, so we're just peeling this off, and as you can see, I go all the way down to the bottom so that we can peel this all off together. That way, if you have to lay it back down, it's not just one little piece you're laying back down. You're able to lay it back down as a whole the way it's supposed to look, so that you can put it, make sure it's in the right place. Alright. And there's our cup. I'm just going to give this a smooth. We're not going to do too much with our hands, because the oils in your hands and stuff will tear your decal if you do too much rubbing on it, especially if you use your nails. Alright, so this is what this one looks like. We're going to put it back in the bag. Put our lid back on there. And that is what our purple one looks like. So these decals, if you have a DTF printer, you can make your own. If you do not, you can order these straight off of Amazon and Temu. It just depends on where you want to order them from. Alright, and you can pick out your own designs, or you can upload a design and have them print them for you. And there are some companies on Temu and Amazon that do that. Alright, so that is what I did with the Libby glasses. And I'm just going to just give you a little look-see at what they look like. Turn you around a little bit. And I will get these into some gift concepts. And these are the glass straws that they come with. I'm going to leave these in the styrofoam packaging for now, this foam package, because I don't want them to get broke. And I'm going to set these glasses back in their boxes so that I can make sure they don't get broke too. So, tell me what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. And there's one more color that I missed, y'all, yellow. So there are 10 colors, or 9 colors and 1 clear in here, and there are 3 of each. So 30 of these glasses came in this box that I bought, and these are the Libby glasses. So I just wanted to pop in. I put the last decal, the one that I had not used, on this one. All right, so there's yellow, black, green, 2 pinks, some purple, a tan, a clear, and a light blue. Alright, so I just wanted to pop on and share the yellow one with you, because there is a yellow one as well. So y'all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner crafting.